We dragged the MEIJIA case through hell. It didn't flinch. Ultimate Gear Protection Review. Ever felt one bad drop away from a total meltdown? You've got gear that costs more than your rent, and yet it's riding around in some glorified lunchbox that might survive a breeze. Whether it's your cameras, drones, rifles, or delicate tech toys, your stuff deserves better than foam noodles and blind hope. Every trip becomes a gamble. Airports? Stress. Rain? Panic. Rough terrain? Don't even. You spend more time worrying about your gear surviving the journey than enjoying where you're going. It's draining, it's distracting, and it's one cracked lens away from disaster. And the pressure's brutal. You've got clients waiting, shots that can't be reshot, and tools that have one job, to function flawlessly. But then comes the dreaded sound. A soft thunk, a suspicious rattle, and that gut-wrenching moment of opening your case and praying your camera didn't just eat concrete. You're not just wasting time, you're losing peace of mind, risking income, and burning energy on fixing what should never have broken. The weight of uncertainty? It's crushing. You didn't sign up for this stress. You signed up to create, not babysit your gear. Meet the MEIJIA Portable Waterproof Protective Case, your stress-proof sidekick. This isn't just a hard case. It's a fortress on wheels. We're talking IP67 waterproofing, high-impact ABS polymer build, airtight O-ring seal, and a built-in pressure valve that laughs in the face of elevation changes. Inside? Plush customizable foam inserts so your GoPro, DSLR, drone, or sidearm hugs its place like it's in first class. And did we mention the smooth gliding polyurethane wheels and retractable handle? From airports to deserts, snow to saltwater, this case says, bring it on. It's not just protection, it's total freedom. You get 3 layers of fit-to-cut foam, double-throw latches you can pop with one hand, and buttery soft grip handles that won't eat your fingers on long hauls. Rolling it feels like guiding a cloud with muscles. Whether you're an angler, a filmmaker, or a tactical pro, this case adapts to your grind, and looks sleek doing it in that all-black, no-nonsense finish. MEIJIA didn't just build a case. They built trust on wheels. Want gear that shows up looking and working like it never left the studio? Click, roll, repeat. Here's the bottom line, don't wait for regret. Thousands of pros are already rolling with MEIJIA and refusing to gamble with their gear. Stock moves fast, because people know, quality like this doesn't stick around. This isn't nice to have. It's non-negotiable. Don't learn the hard way. Don't let one rough ride ruin your year. Secure your gear like a boss, protect your investment like a pro, and finally travel without fear. Act now. Click that link. Upgrade your hustle. The MEIJIA case is waiting, but your next adventure won't.